Cybercriminals are taking note of the proliferation of new Bitcoin ATMs all around the world, which enable consumers to get their hands on cryptocurrency in a simple and expedient manner. Welcome to Crypto News. Today we are going to talk about crypto ATMs. Stay with us until the end of the video to learn more. Like and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button to get notified of all the latest updates. Let's jump to the topic. The use of cryptocurrencies is rapidly increasing, and it is only reasonable to assume that the next innovation will involve Bitcoin-based automated teller machines, BTMs, crypto kiosks, or cryptocurrency ATMs. There are as many as 50,000 machines operating in the United States at this time, and the number is continuing to rise. The likelihood of your having come across one is rather significant. But what precisely does it mean to utilize a cryptocurrency ATM, and how does one do so? Most importantly, how and why are criminal actors using them for fraudulent schemes, frauds, and other illegal activities? Are the Know Your Customer, KYC, rules or the restrictions to know who is using the ATM, such as that are used in traditional banking, adequate? And does a cryptocurrency ATM provide better access to those who do not have access to traditional banking, or is it an easy tool for those who engage in illegal activity? Director of Compliance of Digital Mint, a Chicago-based Bitcoin ATM operator with a presence in more than 40 states, is Seth Sadler. Digital Mint is owned and operated by Sadler. Sadler's team is hard at work developing a control system in order to improve visibility into the identities of those operating the machines. These controls include the necessity of basic identification verifications in addition to other measures. Sadler says that more than half of the 36,000 ATMs in the United States do not require a photo identification in order to complete transactions ranging from $250 to over $1,000. Some people in the business community believe that more stringent identification verification is not required, and that all that is necessary for verification is to demand a phone number and check it against a database. However, as Sadler explains, this could be a highly dangerous undertaking, and the potential benefits may not be worth the potential downsides. What are crypto ATMs? Individuals who wish to change fiat currency, generic government currency such as dollars, euros, or pounds, into cryptocurrency can do so through the use of crypto ATMs, which provide a straightforward and well-known method for doing so. When someone wants to buy cryptocurrency, all they have to do is walk up to a standalone kiosk, insert cash or their debit card, and go through a few simple steps. They aren't nearly as daunting as going online, accessing a crypto exchange, and dealing with next-gen notions like crypto wallets. These cryptocurrency ATMs could prove to be more approachable for certain people who are either wary of using digital banking or struggle with a lack of familiarity with technology. Cryptocurrency automated teller machines are generally well known. Sadler thinks that it is likely that one can be found in a convenience shop or petrol station that is located near their home. The phrase, cryptocurrency kiosks are the red box of crypto transactions, is a reference to the ubiquitous standalone DVD rental kiosks that may be found in a variety of convenience and grocery stores. If cryptocurrencies become more widespread, regular people will feel more at ease using them, at least to some extent, as they become more familiar with them. Because of this, a crypto ATM kiosk offers a nice medium for those who aren't very savvy with technology but nonetheless value their privacy when doing various forms of financial transactions. Why crypto ATMs are attractive to criminal actors? Sadly, these are the exact advantages that attract criminals, particularly those who are always looking for new methods to launder money or swindle unsuspecting victims. Sadler brings to our attention the fact that cryptocurrency ATMs can be advantageous to dishonest participants for a number of reasons. First, the sheer number of these ATMs and the ease with which one can access them makes it easier to facilitate illegal transactions. Second, because regulations regarding the verification of one's identity are either non-existent or inconsistent across states, it is much simpler to instantly convert traditional currency into Bitcoin while maintaining one's anonymity. The vast number of cryptocurrency ATM operators is another factor that makes anti-fraud efforts more difficult. For instance, in a single major city in the United States, a single neighborhood may be serviced by 15 distinct companies who operate ATMs. And sadly, according to Sadler, they don't communicate with one another. If I wanted to launder $15,000, I could utilize 3 different crypto ATM operators, each of which had a daily transfer limit of $5,000, and send the stolen money to wherever I wanted. Because there are so many operators of cryptocurrency ATMs in each location, this technique has the potential to be both effective and scalable. The case for better crypto ATMs: identity controls. Despite some of the difficulties associated with identity control, deploying crypto ATMs can have beneficial effects in the real world. To put it another way, you don't need to be very sophisticated with technology to use one. A person who is familiar with the operation of a conventional ATM will probably feel at ease when using a cryptocurrency ATM. They are quick and secure, and the user does not need to be an expert in blockchain technology or be able to navigate intricate trading platforms in order to enter the world of cryptocurrencies. In addition to this, they solve the ever-present issue of currency conversion. To transfer their digital assets, individuals who are traveling in a different country, for example, would not have to go to a currency exchange. They might, as an alternative, utilize a cryptocurrency ATM to access their account. Sadler claims that he understands the notion that everyone should have access to crypto, but he disagrees with the position that controls should be avoided at all costs. Every transaction that takes place on Digital Mint requires some form of identity, and Digital Mint then verifies that identity using third-party databases that filter against things like sanctions lists and politically exposed persons. It even checks the contents of the wallet against known market analysis activity on the darknet. A crypto ATM operator that claims to take crime prevention seriously should require identification and third-party validation for every transaction, says Sadler. He adds that if the average transaction on the darknet market is between $18 and $80 per month for a terrorist financing donation scheme, it is easy to see how this type of criminal activity can take place. Also, Sadler outlines what he labels the Netflix password sharing problem. If the only thing that is necessary to complete a transaction at a cryptocurrency ATM is a phone number, then what is to stop criminal actors from just sharing the same phone number among each other and across several schemes? If you made it to the end of this video and are interested in knowing more, let us know which part of the video you liked the most in the comments section below. We will appreciate your comment and work to make a video on your desired topic with an account shout out. Please like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button to be notified of our next video. Thanks for watching.